While Malta still sleeps, one man begins a tradition older than memory. Every morning before dawn, the village bakery comes alive. 2 in the morning, the sacred hour of Maltese bread. With Radio 105 playing softly, the day officially begins. Flour, water, hands, and generations of experience. Each ħobża shaped by hand, each one carrying Malta's soul. Into the fire it goes, where heat transforms dough into legend. The flames roar, and the crust begins to sing. Dark, crispy, steaming hot. The smell alone stops time. Before sunrise, the shelves are already filled with tradition. In every village, warm bread brings people together. And finally, the taste every Maltese calls home.